Welcome to Dad Hacks 101, where we help you hack your way to fatherhood success because being a dad doesn't come with an instruction manual. Whether you're a new dad or a seasoned pro, we've got tips and tricks to make your life a little easier. Remember to like this video, click on the notification bell icon, and subscribe to our channel for more dad hacks. Hey there, fellow new dads. Are you struggling to get your baby to sleep through the night? Trust me, I know how you feel. But don't worry, because I've got some tips and tricks that have worked wonders for me and my little one. First things first, establish a bedtime routine. Establishing a bedtime routine is a key component of getting your baby to sleep through the night. Babies thrive on predictability, so having a consistent routine can help them feel more secure and prepared for sleep. A warm bath is a great way to relax your baby and prepare them for bedtime. Make sure the water is warm, but not too hot, and add some gentle baby wash to make it more soothing. A gentle massage can also be helpful, as it can help your baby feel calm and relaxed. After the bath, it's important to have some quiet time before bed. This can include reading a book, singing a lullaby, or just talking quietly to your baby. The key is to keep the environment calm and peaceful, which will help your baby transition into a sleepy mindset. By establishing a bedtime routine, you're also creating a sense of predictability for your baby. They'll learn to associate these activities with sleep, which will help them fall asleep more easily and stay asleep longer. So if you haven't already, try establishing a bedtime routine with your baby tonight and see how it works for you both. Next, make sure your baby is comfortable. Making sure your baby is comfortable is crucial for them to get a good night's sleep. Keeping them at the right temperature is important because babies are sensitive to heat and cold. You can dress them in light clothing if it's warm or layer them up if it's cold. Check the temperature of the room and make sure it's not too hot or too cold. Changing your baby's diaper before bed is also important to ensure they don't wake up due to discomfort. Make sure their diaper is not too tight or too loose, and consider using a diaper cream to prevent diaper rash. It's also essential to ensure your baby has a comfortable sleeping surface. A firm mattress with a fitted sheet is recommended for safety, and you can add a light blanket or swaddle to keep them cozy. Swaddling can be helpful for newborns, as it mimics the feeling of being in the womb and can soothe them. Overall, paying attention to your baby's comfort level will go a long way in helping them sleep through the night. One thing that worked for me was using white noise. White noise can be a lifesaver for both babies and parents. It works by masking sudden and distracting sounds that can disrupt your baby's sleep. White noise is a consistent and soothing sound that helps to create a sleep-promoting environment. It can also simulate the sounds that babies hear in the womb, which can be calming and familiar for them. There are many different types of white noise available, from simple white noise sounds to more complex sounds like ocean waves, rainfall, or even a vacuum cleaner. You can find white noise machines or apps that can be easily downloaded on your phone or tablet. Just make sure the volume is set to a safe level and that the device is placed at a safe distance from your baby's sleeping area. Another tip is to encourage your baby to self-soothe. Encouraging your baby to self-soothe may take some patience and persistence, but it can be a game changer for both you and your little one. When babies learn to fall asleep on their own, they are more likely to stay asleep through the night and have better quality sleep. This means they will wake up feeling more rested and happy, and so will you. To start, try putting your baby down to sleep while they are drowsy but still awake. This will give them the opportunity to learn how to fall asleep on their own, without relying on external soothing methods like rocking or nursing. It's okay if they fuss or cry a bit at first. This is a normal part of the learning process. You can stay nearby and offer reassurance, but try not to intervene unless absolutely necessary. Over time, your baby will learn to associate their bed with sleep and will be able to drift off on their own. This can be a big relief for parents who are struggling with getting their little one to sleep through the night. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Becoming a new dad is an exciting but challenging time, and it's important to remember that you don't have to go through it alone. It's completely normal to feel overwhelmed, exhausted, or unsure of what to do. Asking for help from your partner, family, or friends can make a big difference in how you're feeling. Sometimes, just having someone to talk to or to take care of the baby for a little while can give you the break you need to recharge and feel more capable of handling the situation. Additionally, your pediatrician is a valuable resource for advice and guidance on how to care for your baby, including sleep tips. Remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It shows that you're willing to do whatever it takes to provide the best care for your little one and to take care of yourself as well. So don't hesitate to reach out and ask for support when you need it. You and your baby both deserve it. It's essential to keep in mind that every baby is unique and may require different methods to soothe them to sleep. As a new dad, you may get frustrated when you try one technique and it doesn't work, but don't give up hope. With a little patience and persistence, you'll find the perfect method to help your baby sleep through the night. So, stay motivated and don't give up. It may take some time, but soon enough, your baby will be sleeping through the night, and you'll have the much-needed rest you deserve. Keep in mind that it's a learning process for both you and your baby, and you'll both get there in due time. And that's a wrap on Dad Hacks 101. Remember, no one has all the answers when it comes to parenting, but we're here to help you find them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating fatherhood. Until next time. Do you have any tried and tested tips on getting your baby to sleep? Share your wisdom with other dads in the comments below, and let's help each other out.